Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Delicious. And today we're making an ooey gooey vegan chocolate cake. With all the ingredients that we're using, we tried to make it extra healthy because healthy should still taste good. So we got zucchini. It's zucchini, it's healthy. It's actually used a lot in baking, more than you would think. And instead of regular flour, we're using almond and cashew flour. We didn't buy this from the store. This is cocoa powder. We're using date sugar today. It has a little more fiber, and we're also gonna use raw sugar, opposed to processed white sugar as our sweeteners today. Pink Himalayan sea salt. And then we have vanilla. And I love adding texture to stuff, and who doesn't? So today we're using Enjoy Life chocolate chunks. These are dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free, inulin-free. We're also using walnuts. Last but not least, we have baking soda. Okay, let's get started. So you're gonna get your mixing bowl. You're gonna add your half a cup of vegetable oil to the bowl. 1 cup of date sugar. All this is ground dates. Now we have half a cup of cane sugar. We're using 12 ounces of sweetener, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. At this point, we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Next, we're gonna start mixing our ingredients. So now we're gonna combine our 8 ounces or 1 cup of ground cashews and our 8 ounces, 1 cup of ground almonds. Packed with nutrients and healthy fats, white flour just can't compete. And they're just gonna help pull this all together. Half a cup of cocoa, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're just gonna mix it all together. Next, we're gonna add our 2 cups or 16 ounces of zucchini. And last but certainly not least, we're gonna add in our chocolate chunks and our half a cup of roughly chopped walnuts. And there's no raw egg in this because it's vegan, so you can actually lick the beaters guilt-free and not worry about salmonella. And that's good. Now I'm gonna show you a little trick to easily cut round parchment paper. You're gonna fold it lengthwise in half. You're gonna fold it again. And keep an eye on this corner closest to you. And fold it one more time. Take your parchment paper, bring the tip to the center of your dish, and that is where you're gonna cut. Now we're gonna add our mixture to our baking dish. All that's left to do is pop these in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. So it's been about 25 minutes and they look great. If you're not sure if they're done or not, just stick your fork in, and if it comes out clean, you know. We're just gonna flip them out of the pan. There's no way to describe this other than ooey gooey and delicious. It's a healthier alternative, and it certainly doesn't taste like it. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell right there. Turn your notifications on. We have so many more delicious videos to come.